So you're trying to sing like, you know, those hard bearded songs like yeah 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 yeah. The first thing that you have to remember is that those we call it the mix notes, the mixed voice, the dominant mix, and the types of mixed notes. I can't even name those. But those are used for high notes. And before you can do that, you have to have a head tone and a chest tone, a heart and a head. And once you connect them, you're gonna be a better woman. Charot. Masama mo ako, pinapakita ko lang yung voice acting. Baka matulungan kita sa pagkanta. Salamat. Last my soul, hey, persona road. Last my soul. Gusto na ito makontrol yung bitawan. Wala yung mama as is good, ang sakit dito kasi parang tinry ko how open it. Ang sakit ng baba ko. Kasi parang I'm trying to how low I can go na parang ma-verbalize ko pa rin yung words pero hindi talaga kaya. In your eyes, no. Okay, naabot na ito.